Weather feeling a lot like summer out there with temperatures nearing 80 degrees today. We've been in and out of some clouds, getting in on some sunshine the second half of the day. And right now we sit at 78 degrees. Remarkable in terms of these temperatures, well above average, the roller coaster ride of up and down temps. We somewhat have a steady week of mild conditions with temperatures staying above average for the majority of this week. Pontiac right now, you're sitting at 83 degrees, but with the warmth and also if you've been outside today, you have felt the humidity. We increase our rain as well as our storm chances. Another week of unsettled weather. The trend, it continues. Live Doppler 7 Max right now. We are not seeing the heavier rain and the storms that we were experiencing earlier today south of I-80. We had some heavy rain and some strong gusty winds. Right now what we're finding, just some isolated showers and storms, barely finding any lightning. You can see that one lightning strike that was associated with this cell that's now moving to the east. This is south of the city there, just to the east of Worth, and will continue moving east close to East Chicago there in Indiana. Earlier, Will Kankakee, northwest Indiana, you had a round of some stronger storms, and we had a few severe thunderstorm warnings issued back to the west as well, mainly along and south of I-80. A severe thunderstorm watch was issued. It was then canceled. So for the remainder of the evening, we'll be in and out of an isolated rain and storm threat. It's really not until overnight that we'll see that rain increase in coverage. So what you see right now is what you get. We have a few breaks in the clouds, some spotty green beginning to pop up. Can't rule out a passing shower or storm over the next couple of hours. Not looking at a big severe weather threat through the remainder of the night tonight. However, overnight, notice all of this action up to the north. This is where we have a tornado watch box. You can see the warnings, the lightning, the heavy rain. This is along a frontal boundary, and these showers and storms will work their way farther to the south overnight. So what can we expect here? Isolated, anything between about now and midnight. After about 12 a.m., 1 a.m., we'll be watching some rain up to the north, spreading in from the north and west and sliding to the south and east, which means we're looking at some heavier rainfall here overnight and even a few rumbles of thunder. If you are waking up early, heading out the door close to about 6, 7 a.m. along and south of I-80, some showers and storms in the mix, and then we catch a little bit of a break. Tomorrow we're going to get some sunshine. We're going to feel the atmosphere yet again. Temperatures climbing back to near 80 degrees across the area, likely into the 80s area wide. We're looking at dry time during the afternoon, but anytime after about 5 o'clock, if we have showers and storms develop in this air mass, we're talking about the instability, also wind shear, the possibility of some strong to severe storms in the forecast for our Tuesday afternoon and evening. Latest models are trying to push those storms a little bit later. This is at about 8, 9 o'clock. You can see them moving in as we head into the late night. However, again, after about 4 or 5 o'clock, just because of the type of atmosphere we are sitting in, the possibility of those strong storms developing before 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow cannot be ruled out. And then the weather pattern continues into Wednesday. Before tomorrow, we all need to be alert because we have a level 2 to 3 out of 5 for strong to severe storms tomorrow. You can see north of I-80 will be that focus here where we have that level 3 out of 5. So an enhanced risk for strong to severe storms, and also outlined right now 10% tornado risk. That is not zero. It is low, but not zero. So the possibility of a storm forms with the winds tomorrow as well as the instability, some rotating supercells can't be ruled out. So we will have an AccuWeather alert for our Tuesday with more showers and storms expected into our Wednesday. So Wednesday morning, we have a few showers. Into the afternoon, we're looking at some isolated storms to fire on through yet again. It is just active on and off rain and storms right through our Wednesday night. We will dry out as we head later in the week, but Wednesday, a level 1 to 2 in terms of some strong to severe storms. It's been an active month. I know it continues this week. For tonight, we stay mild, isolated rain and storms. Tuesday and Wednesday are active days. We need to be weather and storm aware. Thursday, just a few showers. Into the weekend here, temperatures start to drop a little bit, especially on Saturday. After some AM rain, temperatures falling by Sunday, dry and chilly, down into the 40s.